What's going on, everyone? Before I get today's review started, just want to give a warning message. This pre-workout I'm about to review is not for beginners, not for intermediates, not for those that think you're stim junkies, probably not for idiots like me, but just want to give everybody a fair warning because this is literally the craziest label I've ever seen in my life. Is it just a label? I don't know. I'm going to put it through a test for everybody, and if I make it alive, I make it alive to tell about it. It's Punisher Annihilation. And wait till you see this label. The one thing I'm going to point out, I'm always honest on here, I'm going to be straight out honest. There's no GMP certified sticker on here, so when you see the ingredients, you can probably know why. Okay, supplement facts over here today. One scoop is 13.7 grams. You have 30 servings contained in here. Looking at this bad boy, it is packed to the brim. I don't think I've ever seen, hold on, let me see. Yeah. I'll maybe get a little video of this in the background. I've never seen anything packed this high. Jeez, oh Pete. Well, only one way to see if that really works. Okay, so up top, you got L-citrulline at 6 grams for some pumps. Beta-alanine, 3.4 grams, can help with endurance. I do saturate that over time. Arginine HCl, 2 grams. Caffeine anhydrous, 400 milligrams. All right, you got grapeseed extract at 350 milligrams. You have DMHA at 250 milligrams. Teocrine at 125 milligrams. Then you got 1,3-DMAA at 95 milligrams. Right below that, yes, it just keeps getting crazier and crazier. Just wait, because there's something coming for you out there. N-methyltyramine at 80 milligrams. That's a lot in fat burner, so I'm looking to sweat and have some energy with that as well. Synephrine at 75 milligrams. Heart attack in a bottle coming up next. Alpha-yohimbine at 9 milligrams. 9. One less than 10, one greater than 8. I've never seen that many. Is it true 9 in here? I don't know. I'm kind of scared, but I'm an idiot. And then you got black pepper extract at 5 milligrams. And hey, let's throw in some more Yohimbe HCl at 2.5 milligrams. Yeah, hold on. Suggested use, okay. Noobs, mix 1/2 scoop with 8 ounces to 10 ounces of water. Expert, mix this is an expert. Mix 1 full scoop of 8 ounces to 10 ounces of water. Stim junkie, mix 1.5 scoops. So let's see, 9. That's like 13.5 milligrams of alpha-yo. No, I'll stick to the expert. I should do half a scoop just because I'm scared. But, I'm an idiot, like I said, if you haven't figured out. Oh yeah, the flavor is sour lime. And I am not as dumb as I look, even though I look dumb. I'm going to weigh this out because I just got to trust, the process here. Alright, pretty much a heaping scoop is right around 11 grams, so that's short 2.7 grams, so let's see. Alright, the final scoopers, what they included was about 1 1/4 to get a little bit under 14 grams. Holy foam, Batman. Alright, YouTube Nation. Here's to not dying. It was fun while it lasted. Do work. It's lime for sure. And with all the stimulants in there, I thought it'd be worse. This isn't too bad, to be honest with you. Just so everybody knows I drink this, hold on 1 second. 3.5 scoopers out of 5. It's not bad. I can't tell you last time I had a lime flavor pre-workout. But hey, hopefully I'll survive today. And then the next couple of days, I'm going to take this 3-4 times. I might try it half a scoop, see how it goes. And if I'm alive, I'll see you for the final review. I laugh at 9 milligrams of alpha-yo. Is there truly 9 milligrams of alpha-yo in here? I don't think so, but you don't know. And that's a little bit of a scary part. That's why I'm the idiot testing this for everybody out there. There is alpha-yo in here. I did have the effects / side effects with it. The energy, the focus, both were good. Had that little bit of a crashing effect, which I think from DMAA in here. Not saying it's the legit version. Is it an extract or something or combination that makes you feel like it? Definitely had that crashing feeling a couple of times. I took this 4 times, and overall I thought it was still good. It is a true stim junkie pre-workout, but knowing what's in here and the dosages is the tough part. 4 scoopers out of 5, and I appreciate your time. Our YouTube Nation, now you know what time it is. Found this review helpful, beneficial, and can handle 9 milligrams like me, you wimps. Hit that like button right down there. Hit the subscribe button. Come along for 5 minutes review ride.